Commissioner of Police, Major General Antony Anderson, says plans are well advanced to increase the number of quick response teams in Western Jamaica. Speaking at a virtual media briefing on Tuesday, Major General Anderson said his team in St. Elizabeth has already been expanded.
And plans are well advanced to establish quick response teams in the other parishes out west. There are 60 members currently under training ahead of being deployed to Area 1, and this is advanced tactical training. And this will significantly boost our capacity and ability to respond to the challenges we are having in the Western Division. Last financial year, we recruited 1,260 officers, and this year we are on course to recruit a similar number. We are increasing not only the number, but the quality of these officers. Now, the proliferation of weapons and the propensity for gunmen to attack each other makes it unlikely to intercept every gunman.
He says recent arrests are proof that police investigation and intelligence have improved alongside community cooperation.
Our model of policing is an integrated one, and we continue to engage in a wide array of initiatives geared at opening channels of communication and building trust. These trust-building initiatives have been important to the improved intelligence and investigative capacity that we have spoken of. Our aggressive digital media strategy continues to reap rewards in the improved trust that people place in us. Share information with Crime Stop as well as sharing with police in the local division. So far this year, calls to Crime Stop have increased by 98% over last year. Our engagement on Facebook increased by 156%. We have 30,000 new active followers on Instagram and 25,000 on Twitter.
He says firearms recovery have increased in the last month when compared to the time period last year.
As at May 31st, the JCF have seized 320 illegal firearms compared with 314 recorded last year, representing a 2% increase in firearm seizures. Since then, and this is the first 7 days of June, we have seized 27 firearms during police operations compared with 9 during the similar period last year. In addition, we have seized 6,380 rounds of ammunition when compared to 4,483 in the similar period in 2021. This represents a 42% increase in ammunition seizure.